I'm currently in Beijing, where Crayola hasn't yet come up with colors for the skies here. And let's see, for this menu from Domino's. It's from March, but I saved it from last time to make this video. This is the main event. It's in the shape of an old coin, and it was for the New Year's. It basically just means welcome the wealth, come in the treasure, just make money. And it says, hey, if you order it out, you can get it for free delivery. But the ingredients are on the other side. Let's see. Oh yes, the yak beef matsutake. So I think this was the one that says shrimp, bacon, mushroom, onion, red pepper, green beans, mozzarella, cheddar, chocolate cookies, biscuits, and let's see, garlic oil flavor. Great, that makes sense. Oh, by the way, this section is called Indulgent. It has lots of durian and lychee in each one. Even better. This is called Madrid brisket pizza with shrimp, fried shrimp. And this one is, it's a volcano. That's what it says. It's a volcano, a cheese volcano in the middle of it. And gee, these are all, it's about dinner time, but I have zero hunger right now just because of this menu. But you can fill it with some random stuff.